Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. You're keeping safe out there. Fancy a couple of green lanes. The only problem is there's a few gates on it. There's dubs. Big, massive plane.
Like and subscribe.
So it goes about another 200 yards. And it means opening it, closing it, and then get back again. You think, oh, can't be bothered with that, can we? Can't be bothered with that. Sun's in our eyes now. Oh no, the sun's out. I can't see. Don't look at that rock in that water. Oh, look at that, I'm going to hit it and fall off. I don't know, I've washed out down here, hasn't it? Oh dear, that's a bit of a wrong line there, Si. What are you doing there? Been down here lately, haven't they? Looks like a tyre mark. I'll leave it in seconds. It'll be look at this. Yeah. I've made a mess on it. I'm not going through the rough bits on this because these are tubeless tyres and I won't bother about the tyre and I'm about 30 mile away from home. So, I'm not worried about. The smooth part that you had on after done here, hasn't it? All downhill, that's the thing, isn't it? Got all this stone here. That's all probably come all washed all the way down, hasn't it? No, it isn't the hostel. I thought that was a house. I usually passed it that fast, I don't know what it is. No, I thought that was a house. But it's not, it looks like a pumping station. Oh, it will be for the reservoir. On it. Put it in third. End up on the floor, won't I? Is it not coming around the corner? I don't know. Bloody hellfire. I've never seen so many puddles. No, we don't do puddles. You know that. There you go, boys and girls. Still recording, yeah. That was Dubs Lane on the 790, not all the way. Anyway, bring it back on something else. See you in a bit. Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. Well, last lane of the day I think. No green lane, don't we? I've done it on this once before. It's a bit stony, it's a bit gnarly. What's that? Backing tree. Take the handlebars off. I'll just leave it in second going up here. I don't think there's no heroics today. We're on the Tubeless Tyres, rock hard, and they don't grip very well. I am looking to put a tube in the back. But I was looking probably for another wheel. But I don't know whether to buy a standard wheel, because really if I put a tube in the back, I really want to put a rim lock in it. I'm going to lower the pressure, so I want a rim lock on it really. I don't want it spinning away. You know what I mean, Harry? It's always wet down here. Always. Bloody wet, snotty, slippery stone. It just spins away on the back. That's the problem. But then again, I don't know, do I want to grip as good as me 500 and me 300? I don't know. Or is it a bit better having it just spinning a little bit on the back end that you can, you can play with and do? If it gripped too much, it might be worse off. I don't know. Comment down below. You got 690, ride it off road. New tube tyres, tubeless. If you've gone tube, what wheel are you using? You've got rim lock in it. I keep looking and I'm thinking, what do I do with it? The sun's a bit lower on the left. Going through them trees, it does like a strobing effect on your eyes. Then you can hardly see what's in front of you. But, I'm not moaning about it, I'm not crying about it. I thought I'd just mention it. Don't look at that rock, don't look at that rock. You look at that rock, you hit it. Don't you? Look past it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Get a bit of water down here off that lane. Usually get airborne off that one. It's really slippy around here. All the moss and everything. Yeah, the other part of Green Lane, and then I'll run home and some jobs done. Maybe brownie points for tomorrow. 2 of us are out definitely. There might be 3 tomorrow. I don't know. It spins. want it to grip. Is it not going to grip? I don't know. Not really. The thing about it is when it spins that much, it just slides on it. The front end over there. Yeah, that's the end of Green Lane. Green Lane Part 2. Yeah, bit more content for you. Bit of a trip out on the 790 again. Doing a Friday. Got to keep riding them, haven't you? Get used to it, used to the weight. And yeah, so if you enjoyed that, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. If you do have one of these, comment down below. You're running tubes on it, what wheels you're running, what's the best thing to do. You know, they say with this offset, the offset valve on it, you can put tubes in it, there's no problems. I don't know, I'm a bit new about that. You know, give us a comment, give us a like, and give us a sub if you want. Just joined us, never seen us before. And yeah. Oh, it's 8 degrees. It's 8 degrees beginning of February tomorrow, and so get herring in there, a bit of fish, good herring. And if you are riding out there, which you should be, if you're not, get yourself an off-roader. Have a look at the back catalogue of stuff. It's all no GPXs. One of them sat in the garage, the price of them. Yeah, so if you're out riding out there, ride safe, ride safe, be safe, keep safe, as they say. See you soon. Cool.
Like and subscribe.